Hello folks, this is Nicholas Mather from the Alberta Aviation Museum. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour on how to purchase tickets online through our website. First, go to www.albertaaviationmuseum.com. From there, you can scroll right down to see the available dates that are available. If you click on one, a pop-up will appear showing you the available time slots. Typically on a typical day, we'll have mornings and afternoons available. By purchasing in these time slots, you can show up at any time between the time specified. Once you click on your selected time slots, you'll be able to select your tickets for you and your family. We have adults, students and seniors, youth, children, and a family pass which is designed for 2 adults and up to 4 children under 18. We also have military discounts for those who are able to present ID, and you can go from there. So I'm just going to select 2 adults for now and hit checkout to go to our next step. Now this step provides an overview of all the tickets that you've selected for purchase. As you scroll down, you'll see there's a place to add a donation, which is greatly appreciated, as well as a enter promo, discount, or credit code button. Now, if you are a museum member who gets unlimited free access to the museum, or if you have an Edmonton Attractions pass or a coupon, you can then click this to enter your code. If you are a museum member or an Attractions pass holders, contact info@albertaaviationmuseum.com and we will provide the code that you need. And on to the next step. Now this is a step where you provide your purchaser information. So as you can see, you can put your full name there, your phone number, as well as to confirm your email address. And where did you hear about us? Where you can select from a number of options. And then finally, you would put in your payment information as well as your address and click yes to receive our newsletter and yes to subscribe to any promotions from ShowPass. Once everything is supplied, click buy now and you will receive an email confirmation. If you have any questions about purchasing tickets online, we'd be happy to answer them. Please contact info@albertaaviationmuseum.com or you can call us at 780-451-1175. Be sure to check out our website for the latest in programs and services that we offer. Also, be sure to subscribe to our social media channels on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at ABAV Museum. Have a wonderful day and we hope to see you soon.